Hello everybody, today in this video I'll show you how to easily make your Pinterest account private in 2023, so let's jump right into it. Go ahead and open Pinterest, and then once it loads up, tap on the profile picture on the bottom right. From here, tap on the three dots in the top right corner, and then go to Settings. From here, tap on Privacy and Data, and this is the toggle that you're looking for. Once you turn it on, you will be going private on Pinterest. After that, tap on I understand. And then from here, you need to go and make your boards hidden as well to make your account more private. So follow up with me. Go back to your account and tap right here on the board. After that, tap right here in the top right corner and then tap on Edit Board. And now turn this toggle on. Once you do that, your boards will be hidden from public as well. And that is how you do it. Now, after doing all of these steps, your account is as private as possible on Pinterest. And that is it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. And thank you very much for watching.